Hey, today I'll be reacting to this cool video about the 10 Sefirot.
In the beginning, God decided to do the impossible, to create a finite, diverse universe within His infinite, indivisible self. God first created the mystical Sefirot, 10 divine channels through which His infinite light could be condensed, contracted, and then released as individualized attributes that could eventually give rise to a diversity of finite creations. "Let us make man in our own image," said God. No sooner said than done. Man was created in his Creator's image, with his own internal set of 10 attributes through which he operates. These 10 spiritual attributes are reflected in the physical human anatomy. Let's go through them, one by one. Sefirah 1, Chachma. Chachma is the initial seed of an idea, the flash of undeveloped inspiration. It enables us to be creative, spiritual, transcendent.
Where's Kesser? So yeah, it is true. In many diagrams, you have this kind of like 10th or 11th Sefirah on the top, goes over all the other ones. But in this diagram, you don't see it here. And that is possibly and probably because it's kind of complicated if that Sefirah is really counted as one of the Sefirot. It's actually a debate in Kabbalistic discussions, but everyone does understand that it's kind of like engulfing and surrounding the Sefirot from the outside. It kind of metaphorically hovers and surrounds the other 10. Let's get back to this conversation at the end of the video.
Sefirah 2, Bina. Bina is the development of ideas. It enables us to be logical, analytical, organized. Sefirah 3, Dot. Dot allows us to focus on an idea so that it becomes relevant and personally meaningful. It enables us to be attentive, principled, involved. Sefirah 4, Chesed. Chesed is the power to love, share, and look kindly upon others. It enables us to be generous, optimistic, sociable. Sefirah 5, Gevurah. Gevurah is the power of discipline and restraint. It enables us to be calculated, cautious, serious. Sefirah 6, Tiferet. Tiferet is the power to empathize and to harmonize kindness with strictness based on the needs of others. It enables us to be balanced, empathetic, harmonious. Sefirah 7, Netzach. Netzach is the power of determination to overcome challenge. It enables us to be persistent, forceful, daring. Sefirah 8, Hod. Hod is the power of humility, gratitude, and submitting to a higher cause. It enables us to be thankful, devoted, accommodating. Sefirah 9, Yesod. Yesod is the power to focus on others and to build genuine relationships. It enables us to be selfless, altruistic, loyal. And last, but not at all least, Sefirah 10, Malchut. Malchut has multiple functions. It is the power of speech and action, effective communication and leadership, and to be receptive to others. It enables us to be leading, communicating, achieving. So there you have it, the 10 components of the human self. The internal mechanism upon which all intellect, emotion, and actions run. God used 10 Sefirot to create His universe, and we use our 10 Sefirot to shape our miniature universes.
Yeah, so there you have it, the 10th Sefirot. It's a pretty direct and informative video. Right, so we're going to discuss the Sefirah which was missing at the top. The one which was called Kesser. And it's the power of will and choice, which comes directly from the soul and channels life directly from the soul into our human experience. So there you have it. I hope you liked this review. And if you did, don't forget to show us by dropping a like in the comments. Make sure you check out some more of the videos on this channel and hope to see you next time.